Don't cut the pee-pee. 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 Yeah. Don't cut the pee-pee. Yeah. Yeah. That's my lowest low that I could ever go. I see. This is a much better map to have this on, to be honest. But also, it's good to have 4 people. Holy shit! Oh fuck! Oh my god! I need to just not reload, honestly. Oh, I killed the guy. This is awesome. This is so fucking fun. Holy shit. This is awesome. I love this. Everybody's forced to get all close and personal. Oh my god, this is fucking insane. This is so fucking fun. What the fuck is happening? Oh. My phone started ringing and I accidentally moved it. Then it fucked everything up, apparently. Oh my god, this is insane, dude. This is fucking insane. I love it so much. Oh my god! 9 kills, motherfuckers! Yes! If my team steps it up, we got this. Oh, fuck. Well, my team's stepping it up a little bit. A tiny bit. Shit. We got 10 kills. Damn, I don't know if we can win, though. This shit is fun as fuck, though. Oh, he stole it. He stole it from me. Oh, shit, from behind. Shit, we're losing. Kick their asses. Whoop them, team. Fucking destroy these motherfuckers. I need to get in the front line of the fucking battle, clearly. What the fuck? That doesn't even make sense. How are they kicking our asses so bad? Nuh-uh. Bitch, you thought? That was awesome. I love that. Oh my god. I kind of fed them that kill. I should have not, to be honest. Yes, motherfucker. Oh my god. Fuck, dude. I just spawned, damn it. Yes. How did he not see me? Keep going, keep going. I'm fucking, this is awesome. I love this. Muskets is fucking sick. Did we lose? I don't care, that was awesome. Do you fucking see my score? I'm fucking keeping this. This is probably gonna be an upload, honestly. Holy shit, that was fun as fuck, and I fucking destroyed. That's so cool. I want to do muskets over and over. That's like the thing I want to do from now on. Oh yeah, baby, Fiesta. Let's do this. I love this. This is awesome. Chill out, brah. It's awesome if I get a rocket launcher consistently. Well, and I do not. That's okay, though. Damn, that was easy. Damn, dude, fucking die. Holy shit. Jesus. He had an overshield, I guess. I have it too. He didn't even shoot me once though. It's weird. It's quite odd, indeed. Get the fuck out the way, dude. Oh my god, that's so obnoxious. I can't stand that. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. No, I do not want that. I do not want that, Sam. I am. Oh, fuck. I got 4 kills at least. I should have got that rocket launcher. Damn it. Hey, shotgun again. Fuck, man! Let me live. My gang's up on me. My king's up on me. Stop. Hey, neat. Can't believe I got something with that. Let me just actually try a sniper real quick. Oh, shit! Well, I got a kill, which is more than I usually get with a sniper, to be honest. I killed him. I killed him, but everything exploded. But I still killed him. So there's that. Aha! Fuck you, bitch. Yeah, fuck it. Fuck it. I mean, suck it. But also fuck it. Do both. Yes, I still got him. I don't care. 13 kills, baby. It's a good fucking round this time. Gotcha. It's okay. I got one guy. My ass is on fire. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Fuck, I did nothing with it. That sucks ass. That really sucks. Hey, there we go. Something. That's awesome. That's fucking awesome, dude. I just stood right here. I love that. That's pretty funny. Alright, let's go away from these people. Because they're doing a little crazy shit. Gotcha. Even though I died. What the fuck? What was that? Keeps doing that. Seems like. Oh, fuck. I did nothing that time. It's not good. We're leading, though, and I'm winning. That's good. Oh, fuck. I didn't know there was a guy over there. Shit. That sucks. Hey, we won. Yay. Yay, we won. And I won. Yay. That's awesome. Alright, another fiesta. Holy shit. That was kind of luck, to be honest. Not gonna lie. That was luck. Wow, he's not playing, I'm assuming. Fuck. Damn it, I was hoping to do something. That grenade didn't do shit. Alright, well, I got a shotgun. That's decent, I guess. Gotcha, bitch. I am getting motherfuckers. Damn it! Ah! Come here. Get closer. Damn it. Trying to get him to blow himself up. Give me something better than this. It's not something I can really use in this map. Damn it. Motherfucker. Motherfucker! God damn! Ah! Had to reload. Ugh. Well, this just sucks balls. Give me a good weapon, damn it. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Damn it, and I couldn't even stay alive enough to use it. Hardly. One kill. There we go, baby. Oh, yes. That's what I'm talking about. 2 kills at least. 2 kills at least. It's not much, but something. Hey, I killed the guy. That grenade. Nice. I suck with snipers. Jesus. That was bad. Oh, nice. Nice. Thanks, guys. Whew! Damn. How are they leading, dude? Oh, shit. I just wasted. Yes. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh my god! I was so ready to fuck you guys up. How are you leading? Shoot me, bitch. Double kill, fuck you. Yes. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Honestly, don't know which is better. Apparently it was this. And I killed myself. Oh well, fuck it. I will take it. 20 kills, baby. Yes. All right, 22. What? We lost? Are you fucking me, dude? What? No! I kicked ass. What the fuck? I guess they got the same. Damn, dude. Yes, baby. Fill me with power. This is what I'm talking about, motherfucker. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Wait. Oh, there's gonna be some cool in there. Bitch! Don't fuck with my friends. Bitch! Don't be alive. Get the fuck out the way. You're going that way, I'm going this way. That is how it goes. Sometimes. Bitch. Don't chick around me. You see, now there's 4 people in here. So it doesn't take 3 years. Yeah, let's go a different way, buddy. What the fuck? feel them coming from the side. I feel their presence. It is near. Or it's not, apparently. I'm just fucking crazy. Well, he killed a guy. And it wasn't me killing a guy. Holy shit! I guess aim for the head. I guess it matters with this shotgun. I didn't know it mattered with the shotgun, to be honest. But it seems like it matters. So I'm gonna aim high. Boom, baby! It does matter with the shotgun. It matters a lot, apparently. Hey, get the fuck out the way, please. Bro, fucking move. What the fuck? Move or quit. That's what I'm thinking. Get the hell out of here. I am fucking shut up. I think anyways. Boom, baby! Boom, baby! That was a lucky shot, though. I don't need those. Those are fucking pointless in this map. I swear to God. Fuck you. You're just giving them points. There's no point. Boom, baby! Killing spree, yes. Finally, I get a killing spree. Come on, give me 4 of them in a row. Let me mow them down. Like a psychopath. Ooh, nice. That is gonna be good for this fucking map, dude. That is gonna be great. If I can stay alive long enough for it to matter. Where did he go? Oh no, he saw me! Motherfucker! I had a killing spree! Damn it! Get the oh my god, just... He moved every way I moved. Every step you take. How are they winning? What the fuck? What are y'all doing right now? I killed him. That was awesome. I killed him and then I warped immediately. That was pretty cool. It's because that one guy's just standing there. Bastard. The fucking bastard. Motherfucker, what? Where? Was he behind? I did not see him. This motherfucker needs to move, dude. That's pissing me off. Okay, it's not really actually real life pissing me off, but it's kind of stupid. Alright, so let's aim for the head. Aim for the head. I'm winning on my team, but we're not winning. Oh my god, I hate you so much. Just fuck off. Move, you stupid bitch. Jesus. Boom, baby. Shit. But the dude again, that was pissed me off. I know I can't kill him, so I wasn't worried. I don't think I can kill him anyways. Gotcha. Boom! Boom! It's okay, I got one of them. How the fuck are they winning, though? We need 2 kills. Where the fuck did he go? Somebody must have killed him. That's where he went. To the grave is where he went. I want that fucking... I want that. That thing. Boom! You suck. And you stole it, so thanks. You took it from all of us. Boom, baby! What the fuck? Oh shit! Oh shit! No, I killed myself! No! God damn it! No! We need every point we can get. Oh my god, I killed myself and now I'm out of this forever. Oh my god, now this guy's over here just fucking twerking on my body. I hate you. I can't believe I killed myself. I fucking threw a grenade just freaking out. Shouldn't have. Damn it. Oh, okay. That's fine. Oh, they're just firing off. Holy shit! Jesus Christ! Boom, baby! Boom! Motherfuckers! 3 of them over here. What are y'all doing? Get up in here. Get the fuck out the way, bitch! I know they're in here. Oh, no, they're not anymore, though. Looks like they got dead. Get the fuck out the way. I'm tired of people spawning like right in front of me. Keeps happening. Somehow. It happens every time now. Jesus. Makes me jump a little every time. Boom, baby. Fuck. Fuck. We're winning though. I don't care. We're winning for a second anyways. Get the fuck out the way. I'm ready, bitches. I can't be stopping for anybody. Boom! Fuck! Boom! Oh, you son of a bitch! You son of a bitch! We're 1 point ahead. We don't need this shit right now. Get the fuck out my way. Holy shit, I'm gonna be the person to end lives up in this bitch. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Chill. Stop making that noise. It's scaring me. Alright, this is perfect. Perfect. Oh, fuck. Did I just get stuck? Are you fucking serious? Oh, that makes me real mad. What the fuck? Oh, they're all together. Little bastards. That's how they win, guys. They stick together. What are you doing? Actually, I'm just doing some completely dumb shit, though. I can't believe my coffee pot just went off. I guess I forgot to turn it off earlier. Okay. Gotcha. Alright. We're winning. By 2 points. Nice. Keep that up. Keep that going, motherfucker. Oh, son of a bitch. We won, though. I don't care. We won. Suck it. I thought I'd turn down the music in the game. Doesn't sound like it. Wait. Nope, that's my friend. What the fuck? Where though? Alright, buddy, I get it. Fuck. Damn it. Who the fuck is shooting at me? Oh. Fuck, I almost got him. We almost all have 4. Oh no. Not anymore. This is flamethrowers, I guess? I kinda hate flamethrowers though, but I like the shotguns, so that kinda makes up for it. Fuck, man. I forgot. I didn't know we had grenades. It's awesome. What the fuck? I got him twice in the head? Maybe he hit an overshield. That's the only thing I can think of. Fuck, man. I'm winning on my team. Just stay away from me. Fuck, man. That grenade, dude, fucked me up. shit. Fuck. Tied, man. Fuck. Man, fuck. Not need to get them points. Just what I'm doing right now, basically. I need this, is what I need. Fuck you, die already! Holy shit! Oh my god, dude. Fuck, man. Fuck. Fuck, man. Give me that health. Oh, I needed that health, dude. Fuck. Sucks. Hey, we won. And I led. Fuck yeah. Look at that shit fucking rotating like that. That's hilarious. Oh yeah, baby. Let's do this. Gotcha. Oh my god. I am fucking ruling. I'm fucking ruling, bitches. Kill-tacular? Is that a thing? That's a new thing that I've not seen before? Honestly? Holy shit, dude. This is fucking nuts. This is knucking butts. Nope. You're not ending my streak, bitch. It is not about to happen. In fact, I'm gonna get some health if I can. Protect me at all costs. I love that y'all actually did that. Even though you didn't mean to, probably. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god, I got 10 fucking streak. That's awesome. That was awesome, I don't care. That was fucking badass. I love it. I love every fucking moment that I spent doing that. Wait, where? Where did he go? Fuck. Now I can't get a kill. I got a 10 kill streak. I don't give a fuck right now. Still got a guy. This is definitely going on the thing. Give me a square. Okay, never mind. I'm trying to have that same fucking match. Or that same score that I just did. Oh, so they'd be camping in here, to be honest. I don't get it. Oh shit, 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 shit. Get me the fuck out of here, dude. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I can get another streak with this. I could just find somebody, no? Only I had an overshield too, that would be fucking like OP as fuck. For real, dude? Somebody got above me? What the fuck? Are you serious? I don't care. I got a 10 kill streak. That's going in there. That's going in there. How the what is Rocket Ball? Oh, it's the same one that was just playing earlier. That's what I was actually playing, not Oddball. Rocket Ball. Rocket Ball. I guess it is Oddball, though. Give me the balls.
Team Oddball.
I might just end up playing this for the rest of the fucking day. Who knows? Who knows what the fuck I'm gonna do? All I know is I'm gonna do it. Don't even look at me wrong, dude. Yeah, baby. Stay the fuck away from me. Oh, protect me at all costs. Woo, get away. Get away from me. Protect me. Whoa, whoa, what if I just go over here and stay? Let's win this shit, baby. Yeah, let's win this shit, baby. Somehow they're just not coming over here. They just don't give a fuck. They just don't give a fuck? Do they just not give a fuck? What's happening? I'm pretty happy with this. I'm feeling pretty good right now. Get the ball back, bitches. I'm gonna see how long I can stay here for real. Like, hopefully that's my friend. Am I really gonna just stay here the whole time? Just do nothing? This is legendary. This has to be kept, dude. If I really win with this shit right here, this is gonna be legendary. I've already had it for so long. Stay alive, guys. Stay alive. Look alive. Literally. Stay alive, bitches. Fuck. Did he really not know I was there? Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I had 2 minutes. I had 2 minutes. Oh my god, dude. That's fucking insane and inane. Insane in the membrane. Let's go through here, get this shit back again. Insane in the membrane. Take that shit back. Fuck it. If they're really not gonna guess that I'm here, fuck it. Are they really not gonna come over here? They're just like giving me so much fucking time with this shit. Fuck you! Oh fuck, I had it for so long. Oh my god, dude. Look where you're killing them. Why are they letting me get it for so long? Just stay over there. I don't understand that. They gotta know I'm there, dude. Oh shit, that guy's got one.
Blue team, 1 minute to win.
Damn it, dude. Alright, guys, we can pull through. We can pull through. We're gonna win this, for sure. Like, almost sure we're gonna win. Gotcha, bitch.
Blue team, 30 seconds to win.
We got this, guys. I do believe. I do concur we have this. We have got this. Boom, baby! Give me that skull again, bitches. Fuck yeah. Just stay the fuck away from me, dude. Whee! We won! I killed it, dude. I feel so good about that one. I fucking killed it, dude. I'm really happy about that. That was fucking awesome. They barely even had it. Give me more than that, you bitch. Come on, dude. Oh my god. That's fucking pathetic. Okay, but that was awesome though. That's definitely going on.
Team Slayer.
Fuck yes. Wow, that didn't mean anything. That did though. It meant something at least. Wow. Wow. It didn't count as anything? Okay, cool. I will take that. That could have counted as a fucking suicide, but somehow didn't. So I'm okay with that. Somehow I'm still alive right now. Why were you still alive just now? The fuck? This can only win. This can only end one way. But that's both dying, dude. Did they just, like, how do they not know I'm here right now? Took me forever to die from that fire. I thought I wasn't going to. I was sadly mistaken. I still got him though. Fuck it. I don't care. This is a pretty good round. I feel like a decent one at least. Where'd that go? I killed one guy. Somehow I'm winning. I don't feel like I'm doing that amazing, but somehow I'm winning. So I'm okay with it. Damn it. What was I supposed to do? And what was I supposed to do about that, dude? Fuck early. I don't really need that. Not right now, anyways. Got two shitty guns. Well, I got a sniper, I guess. Ho ho ho! Shit! That was pretty cool. Right in the ass. Twice in the ass. Alright. Let's stay alive, I guess. What's his name? Dildo Supreme? Damn it! I was invisible? What? I didn't know that. I've got shitty weapons the entire time that I've been playing. What the fuck? Go up the ladder. What the fuck, dude? You kidding me? Bah! Fuck you! He didn't die from 2 snipers? That's bullshit. Nice. I do want this though. I didn't do much though. Didn't have much left on it. I don't care though, I'm doing really good somehow. I don't know how, but I'm doing really good. I've not got any good weapons the entire time and somehow I'm doing good. Doesn't really make sense to me, to be honest. Bitch, fuck! No! Fuck you! Fuck you! No! Fuck you! Whoop. Somehow I survived all that. I don't know how, but I'm happy that I did. Let's try to get a good kill again. Fuck, my guy got hit instead. Boop. Fuck, I could've... Oh man, that sucks. I just had to reload. Let's go over here. Ooh, square. Nice. That was a good one.